Hello guys, today we will discuss a new topic, alcohol, phenol and ether. In this topic, alcohol, phenol and ether, these are the three parts are included in same topic because the functional group of alcohol is a hydroxy group. The functional group of phenol, it is also hydroxy group, but the functional group of ether, it is an oxygen linkage. Out of these alcohol and phenol, the ether shows a different functional group, but it also included in this topic. The main reason is this ether, it is a functional isomer of alcohol. This is a functional isomerism of alcohol. Therefore, this ether is also included in this topic. Now we can see alcohol and phenol. The main difference we can see the alcohol and phenol is then we can see this hydroxy group and this hydroxy group. These two hydroxy group is attached to the different kind of molecules. Then we can easily differentiate between alcohol and phenol. Then, if this hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, but this carbon atom, it is an aliphatic carbon atom. This carbon atom, it is an aliphatic carbon atom, or it is commonly or mainly also known as an alkyl group. Okay. And in case of phenol, this hydroxy group is also attached to the carbon atom, but this carbon atom is in a aromatic ring. That means this carbon atom is a aromatic ring. Okay, then we can see the phenol. The aromatic ring is basically or mainly our simplest aromatic ring we can consider the benzene. This is the structure of benzene, and if the benzene and this hydroxy group, or we can say that this hydroxy group is attached to the benzene, directly benzene, this hydroxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring, therefore this molecule is known as a phenol. But in case of alcohol, alkyl group, that means we can consider CH3, that means this is a methyl group, this is one of the type of aliphatic or alkyl group. To this methyl group, the hydroxy group is attached to this carbon atom, that means this carbon atom contains an aliphatic or alkyl group. Therefore, this molecule is commonly known as an alcohol and it is named as a methyl alcohol. This is a methyl alcohol. Okay, this is an alcohol, this is a phenol. In this alcohol, any kind of alkyl group is attached to the hydroxyl group, then we can consider a alcohol. But in case of phenol, the hydroxyl group is not only attached to the only benzene, but it also attacks the any kind of aromatic ring. Then this structure is a naphthalene. To this naphthalene, one hydroxy group is attached to the naphthalene. That means that any kind of aromatic ring, it having a hydroxy group, then this molecule is considered as a phenol. Okay guys, then this is a alpha naphthol. Okay, it is a one of the type of phenol. Okay guys, then we can easily understood the main difference between alcohol and phenol. After that, according to definition of alcohol phenol, we can determine the definition as well as general molecular formula of alcohol and phenol. Okay. Take it. CH2OH. The second example is also C2H5OH, and this is a phenol. Okay. Then, in this first example, this example is named as a methyl alcohol. this methyl alcohol we can prepare from methane. That means this methyl group is considered as a parent. Therefore, this methane is also we can consider as a parent. Out of this methane, there are 4 hydrogen atoms are here. And in case of methyl group, this methyl group contains 1 hydrogen atom less than methane. Therefore, we can easily say that the 1 hydrogen atom from the methane group is easily replaced or it is substituted by hydroxy group. Then this is a alcohol. According to this example, we can define the definition of alcohol. The alcohol is a hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Alcohol is a hydroxy derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Then it is called as a alcohol. This is the definition of alcohol. But in this definition, it is one of the most important word is here. There is a hydroxy derivative. Hydroxy derivative, that means the hydroxy group is included in a aliphatic hydrocarbon. That means this aliphatic hydrocarbon is also, we can say that alkane. Because this hydroxy derivative that means the hydroxy containing compound, that is hydroxy derivative. This hydroxy derivative we can prepare from alkane. Therefore, the commonly alcohol is also named as it is a hydroxy derivative of alkane, because this hydroxy derivative is prepared from alkane. Then guys, this is a definition of alcohol. Okay, then in this type of alcohol, there is a 2 examples are written here. One is a methyl alcohol and another one is a ethyl alcohol. CH3 OH, C2H5 OH. This is a methyl alcohol. Second one is a ethyl alcohol. Then another example we can also write CH2OH, then CH2OH. Then another example we can also show CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Okay, and last example is CH2, CH, 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 CH and CH2OH. This is a okay. This is a some examples are written. Then the difference is easily we can show, because in case of these 2 examples, there is a 1 hydroxy group is present. In methanol, there is a 1 hydroxy group. In ethanol, there is also 1 hydroxy group is present. In case of this example, there is a this one and this one. In this example, 1 molecule having a 2 hydroxy group. In this example, there is a 3 hydroxy group is also present in a 1 or single molecule. And in this example, there is a 6 hydroxy groups are present in a single molecule or in 1 molecule. By using these examples, we can easily identify this example, 1 hydroxy group is here. In this molecule, there is a 2 hydroxy groups are here. In this molecule, 3 hydroxy groups are here. And in this molecule, 6 hydroxy groups are here. On the basis of this example, the alcohol we can also classify into following types. These following types or this classification is on the basis of the basis of number of hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom. How many numbers of hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom? Depending on this number, we can classify into following types. Out of these, one is considered as a monohydric alcohol. Second one is a dihydric alcohol. Third one is a trihydric alcohol. And last one, it is a polyhydric alcohol. This is a polyhydric alcohol. Okay. This classification on the basis of number of hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom. Then mono. Then firstly we can see the monohydric alcohol, after that di, after that tri, and after that we can show the polyhydric alcohol. Firstly, in case of monohydric alcohol, the mono, that means a single. Mono means single. Hydric means hydroxy group. Okay. From this monohydric alcohol, the single hydroxy group is present in a molecule, then this alcohol is, we can consider in monohydric alcohol. Okay. That means, according to monohydric alcohol, we can define as a alkane, or in this monohydric alcohol we can define as a, the alcohol contains one hydroxy group. That means the one hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by only one hydroxy group, then it is called as a monohydric alcohol. And this is a examples of monohydric alcohol. This is a first example, is named as a methanol, or commonly we can say that the methyl alcohol. In this second example, it is a ethanol. The common name is also ethyl alcohol. These are the two examples of monohydric alcohol. In this example, the one hydroxy group is present. That means this is a monohydric alcohol and this is also monohydric alcohol. That means the monohydric alcohol means the alkane. From the alkane, the one hydrogen atom is replaced by only one hydroxy group. It is called as a monohydric alcohol. Okay. The next, dihydric alcohol. Di means two. Hydric means same as it is hydroxy group. That means in case of dihydric alcohol, there are two hydroxy groups are present in a one molecule. Therefore, this alcohol is known as a dihydric alcohol. Then, now the definition of dihydric alcohol is that the alkane containing two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two hydroxy group. Two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two hydroxy group. Therefore, this alcohol is known as a dihydric alcohol, and this is a example of dihydric alcohol. That means CH2OH, CH2OH. In this case, this hydroxy group and this hydroxy group, two hydroxy groups are here. That means the two hydroxy group is present in a single molecule or one molecule. Therefore, it is an example of dihydric alcohol, and therefore this is also named as a ethylene glycol. This molecule is named as a ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. In this ethylene glycol, the two hydroxy groups are here. Therefore, it is included in dihydric alcohol. Okay. The next, trihydric alcohol. The trihydric alcohol is we can easily understood corresponding with dihydric alcohol. That means this is a tri. Tri means three molecules or three hydric, that means the hydroxy group, the alcohol or alkane. In this alkane, or definition of trihydric alcohol is that the 3 hydrogen atoms from alkane is replaced by hydroxy group. That means 3 hydrogen atoms are totally replaced by 3 hydroxy group. Then it forms a trihydric alcohol, or then this compound is known as a trihydric alcohol. And this trihydric alcohol, the example of trihydric alcohol is a. This is a glycerol. Example of trihydric alcohol. This example is a trihydric alcohol. In this case, 3 hydroxy groups are here, and these 3 hydroxy group is replaced 2 hydrogen atom, then CH3. Out of this CH3, 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by 1 hydroxy group, CH2. 1 hydrogen atom replaced by 1 hydroxy group. Then this is a CH3. Out of this CH3, 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by 1 hydroxy group. That means in case of glycerol, there is a 3 hydroxy groups are here. Therefore, this glycerol, it is an example of trihydric alcohol. Okay. The next, polyhydric alcohol. In this type of alcohol, polyhydric, that means poly means 4 or more than 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. 4 hydrogen atoms or more than 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. Therefore, this alcohol is included in polyhydric alcohol. Then this is a example of polyhydric alcohol. This compound is named as a sorbitol. This is a sorbitol. This sorbitol, it is having a 6 hydroxy group. That means 6 hydrogen atoms are replaced from each carbon atom by a hydroxy group. Therefore, this alcohol is a polyhydric alcohol. In this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 hydroxy groups are here. Therefore, it is an example of polyhydric alcohol. This is a main classification of alcohol depending on the how many numbers of hydroxy group is attached to the alkyl group. If the 1 hydroxy group is attached to the alkyl group, then this alcohol is included in a monohydric alcohol. The monohydric alcohol examples are 2 examples are here. In case of dihydric alcohol, 2 hydroxy groups are present. Then this is a dihydric alcohol. The example is ethylene glycol. In case of trihydric alcohol, 3 hydroxy groups are present in a molecule. Therefore, it is a trihydric alcohol. This is a glycerol. It is an example of trihydric alcohol. In case of polyhydric alcohol, 4 or more than 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. Then it is called as a polyhydric alcohol, and this is a sorbitol, is a example of polyhydric alcohol. Then this is a main classification of monohydric alcohol, that is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol. Okay guys, then we can consider firstly monohydric alcohol. Okay. We can consider a monohydric alcohol. Mono means single, hydric means hydroxy group. The 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by only 1 hydroxy group, only 1 OH group. Then this alcohol we consider as a monohydric alcohol. Then let's take some examples of monohydric alcohol. This is a CH3OH. This is a methanol. C2H for you. This is a ethanol. Then CH OH, then CH3, then CH3, 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 and this is a OH. Okay. Then this is some examples of monohydric alcohol. In each example, only one hydroxy group is present. Therefore, these examples, all these examples are included in monohydric alcohol. Then we can study this example. In case of methanol, the one hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom. In case of ethanol, the one hydroxy group is also attached to the carbon atom. In case of propane, 2L, in this example is also one hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom. In this example, 2-methyl, propane, 2-ol. In this example is also one hydroxy group is there. Now, this hydroxy group in case of methanol is attached to the carbon atom, but this carbon atom, it is a primary type of carbon atom. Then this hydroxy group is also attached to the carbon atom. Then this carbon atom is also primary carbon atom. In case of propane 2, the position of hydroxyl group it should be changed. That means this hydroxyl group is attached to this secondary carbon atom, and this example, the hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Now, depending on the type of primary, secondary, and tertiary carbon atom, now the monohydric alcohol we can classify into another three ways. That means a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. That means the primary alcohol, that means the hydroxy group is directly attached to the primary carbon atom. Then this alcohol is considered as a primary alcohol. Therefore, this methanol and this ethanol, these two examples are included in a primary alcohol. Now, a secondary alcohol. In case of secondary alcohol, the hydroxy group is directly attached to the secondary carbon atom. Therefore, this alcohol is we can include it in a secondary alcohol. And the tertiary alcohol is the hydroxy group is direct. Then this alcohol we can include it in tertiary alcohol. These are some types of monohydric alcohol. According to the hydroxy group is attached to the which type of carbon atom? If the hydroxy group is attached to the primary type of carbon atom, then this alcohol we can consider as a primary carbon atom. Then hydroxy group is attached to the secondary carbon atom, then this alcohol we can consider the secondary alcohol. And if the hydroxy group is directly attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then this alcohol we can consider the tertiary alcohol. This is a classification of monohydric alcohol in primary alcohol, in secondary alcohol, and last one is a tertiary alcohol. Okay. Then in this example, all hydroxy groups is attached to a singly bonded carbon atom. That means all hydroxy groups are attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This hydroxy group is also attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This hydroxy group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This group is also attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. And in case of tertiary alcohol, the hydroxy group is also directly attached to the tertiary carbon atom. By studying all these examples, the hydroxy group is directly attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then these examples, or that means the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and also the tertiary alcohol, we can consider in the alcohol containing carbon is in sp3 hybridized. Then sp3 hybridized containing alcohol. That means, or in this type, the all hydroxy groups are attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That means all hydroxy group is attached to the singly bonded carbon atom. Therefore, primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol we can consider in a CsP3. That means the carbon having a sp3 hybridized containing alcohol. But all alcohols are not only in sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but some alcohols are, or some hydroxy groups are attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That means the some alcohols are attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. This is one of the type of alcohol. Then this is another type of alcohol. Okay, then phenol we can say, we can see another point. Then this is another example. Now, from these two examples, we can easily identify these two carbon atoms is a sp2 hybridized carbon. This one is also sp2 hybridized carbon. In this example, this is double bonded carbon atom. This one is also sp2, and this carbon is also sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Out of these two examples, this molecule having a 2 sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this molecule having it also a 2 sp2 hybridized carbon atom. But out of these two examples, the hydroxyl group, they may focus on hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. And in case of this example, the hydroxy group is attached to this carbon is a single bonded carbon atom. Therefore, this carbon it is in sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This molecule containing 2 sp2 hybridized carbon atom, but this hydroxy group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That means this hydroxy group directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this example, the hydroxy group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, then this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, after that the doubly bonded carbon atoms are here. That means hydroxy group is directly attached to sp2. Next to that adjacent carbon atom, it is a doubly bonded carbon atom. Therefore, this type of alcohol is named as a allylic alcohol. And in this example, the hydroxy group is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Hydroxy group is directly attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Then this alcohol is commonly known as a vinylic alcohol. Out of these two examples, in this example, hydroxy group is present hydroxy group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore, this example is included in alcohol containing sp3 hybridized carbon atom. But in this example, the hydroxy group is attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore, this example is included in alcohol containing CsP2 hybridized carbon atom. This is another point, or this is another classification of alcohol depending on the hydroxy group is attached to the sp3 carbon atom, or hydroxy group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is a classification of alcohol. Firstly, we discuss about the main classification. In this classification, the hydroxy group is attached to the alkyl group. The commodity is known as a alcohol. Okay. Then, if the one hydroxy group is attached to the one molecule or one hydrogen atom is replaced by only one hydroxy group, then this alcohol is known as a monohydric alcohol. Two hydroxy group is attached in a one molecule, or two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two hydroxy group, it is a dihydric alcohol. Or third one is a trihydric alcohol. In this alcohol, the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three hydroxy group, it is a trihydric alcohol. And in case of polyhydric alcohol, the four or more than four hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group, it is called as a polyhydric alcohol. And the example of polyhydric alcohol, it is a sorbitol. Okay. Now we discuss about the another classification of monohydric alcohol. The alcohol containing only one hydroxy group, but it is depends on this hydroxy group is attached to the which type of carbon atom. If the hydroxy group is attached to the primary carbon atom, therefore it is known as a primary alcohol. If the hydroxy group is attached to the secondary carbon atom, it is called as a secondary alcohol. And if the hydroxy group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then it is called as a tertiary alcohol. But in this classification, all hydroxy groups are directly linked or directly connected to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that means singly bonded carbon atom. And second classification is alcohol containing CsP2. That means the hydroxy group is directly attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, and this doubly bonded carbon atom we consider as a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, then this is a main classification of alcohol. Okay.